Okay guys, we're going to talk about color modes in this section. When you work in Photoshop, it's substantial to know that there are various color modes and color models. And you can change them in the menu bar in Image and Mode. You can see some color modes in here, and I'm gonna tell you a definition of the color modes. A color mode is a way to define how color will appear on the computer screen or paper. And the most popular color modes are RGB, CMYK, lab color, and grayscale. The RGB model is used when working with colors determined for TV screens or computer monitors. A value between 0 and 255 is assigned to each colors. So for example, if you wanted to create a pure blue, red value and green value should be 0 and blue value should be 255. Okay, after that, the CMYK color. The CMYK mode is colors based on the mixture percentage of cyan, magenta, yellow and black. And this model is very useful for commercial printers. By combining cyan and magenta and yellow and black on paper with various percentage, the illusion of lots of colors is created. These four colors are needed to produce full color artwork in magazines, books, and brochures. And the next one is the lab color. Lab color is more complex and it has three parts. The first one is the lightness and the second one is A. The A comes from the green-red axis and B comes from the blue-yellow axis in Adobe Color Picker. And the ranges of A and B are from -128 to +127. And at last, for deciding which model should be used, you should know if your document is being sent to a commercial printer, it's better to start your document in CMYK mode. On the other hand, if you're printing at home on your own printer, the RGB is a better choice, and for any screen-based work such as websites, DVDs, and web graphics, you should always work with RGB as your monitor works in RGB mode. And at the last one is grayscale. Grayscale is a very simple mode and it is the mixture of black and white in your project. If I click on the grayscale, you see we have a window and it's asking about the discard color information. So we should accept it in this case and tick the don't show again and press discard. And you see my image, my RGB image, is going to be black and white. Okay, I press Ctrl Z. And now if I select CMYK here, I have a window which is telling me about converting to CMYK. I should accept it, check don't show again and press OK. This is my picture with CMYK mode, and if I press Ctrl Z, I can see a subtle difference between CMYK and RGB. You can see the colors accurately with RGB modes besides CMYK mode. Okay, that is enough for this video. I introduced you the modes of colors in Photoshop, and that is very substantial for starting a document. If you want to start a new document, you should consider that what you're gonna do in the future of your document. If you want to use the commercial printers, you should choose CMYK color. Or if you want to use your documents for any specific situations, the RGB color is the best. Okay guys, I will see you in the next lecture.